Hello guys, today I will show you a quick and simple guide on how to move Bitcoin from Kraken to your wallet in 2025. Let's begin. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. First of all, log in to your Kraken account by going to kraken.com and signing in with your credentials. Then navigate to either the funding or portfolio section. On the Kraken website, you'll typically find these sections at the top. If you're using the Kraken app, look for the action icon, usually located at the bottom, and select Withdraw. Next, select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies you wish to withdraw. After that, add your Bitcoin wallet address. If you've used the address before, simply select it from your saved list. For new addresses, you'll need to add and confirm them. Make sure to copy your Bitcoin receiving address directly from your personal wallet and paste it into Kraken. Do not type it manually to avoid any errors. Kraken may also require email confirmation for new addresses, so be sure to complete that step promptly. Then enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to withdraw. You can manually input the amount or select a percentage of your available balance. Keep in mind the minimum withdrawal limits and applicable fees. The platform will usually show the net amount you'll receive after fees are deducted. Next, carefully review all the details of your withdrawal. Double-check the Bitcoin amount, the receiving address, the fees and the selected network, typically the native Bitcoin network. After that, if you have a two-factor authenticator for funding enabled, you'll be prompted to enter your code from the authenticator app or use your YubiKey. Finally, click Confirm Withdrawal or a similar button to complete your transaction. You can track your withdrawal in the Recent Transactions section under the Transactions tab.